About 70% of bee species make their nests in the ground, nests like the one shown here. In North America, there are many species of ground nesting bees that visit crop plants, such as squash. One of those species is the hoary squash bee. This bee forages almost exclusively on pumpkin and squash flowers. To control pests such as the cucumber beetle, shown here with the hoary squash bee, squash growers may use pesticides. In our research, we asked if ground nesting hoary squash bees would be affected by being exposed to squash plants that had been treated with pesticides such as neonicotinoids or anthranilic diamides. Using 12 net-covered enclosures into which we introduced hoary squash bee females, we tested the effects of 2 neonicotinoids, imidacloprid or thiamethoxam, or an anthranilic diamide, chlorantraniliprole, on foraging behavior, nest establishment, and offspring production. We found that bees exposed to imidacloprid-treated crops left 5 times more pollen unharvested, established 85% fewer nests, and produced 89% fewer offspring than bees that were not exposed to pesticides. Our results show that populations of hoary squash bees exposed to imidacloprid are likely to decline. This may be happening unnoticed to other ground nesting bee species that provide important pollination services to the crop plants that give us food.